Okay, so why did I build a time management and productivity monthly membership for women docs? Well, because life is so demanding in medicine. Always new asks, see more, do more, be on more committees, run this, do this project, on and on, right? So many demands. Just yesterday I had an email. More, do more. So how do we handle it all? Well, I like to dig into the neuroscience strategies of figuring out what is important to us, what really matters, how do we use what we know about neuroscience to work more efficiently and effective, right? And we do that. So we have a 9-step framework that we keep walking through, and you can use it any time in your career because things will change, right? So something may be important to you today, maybe not so much in a couple years, but you can learn this framework, and we do it together. So we learn it, we practice it, we make it real together, make it yours, make it like a new habit. Okay, you got this, join us.